Okay, those are the sides. They all were implemented and worked together. On the outside, the entire
So this is our Subtask 5 marble separator. The marbles are entered through this conveyor belt, similar to the one in Subtask 2 with minor modifications as noted in the notebook. The conveyor belt then feeds to the mechanical size separator. Large marbles go along this track, while small marbles fall through and go to the smaller track. At the end, we have 2 gates here, which will periodically open and close, releasing the marbles, which will feed down to this separator. It will turn to the camera's left to be kept and fall in this cup, and turn to the camera's right to be discarded and fall into these cups here. Now in our VI, we have a sequence structure inside of a for loop that will run 3 times to simulate the 3 dosages. On this while loop here, we have a bunch of shift registers that will keep track of how many marbles in the dosage we have already kept. The program starts by turning the belt a certain amount of degrees, waiting for 1 second, and then turning the large marble gate. If a marble doesn't fall through, the color sensor will run a test, and if there is a big marble, then it will check for these 3 values as generated by a sub-VI sensing the color. If they all turn false, it will discard the marble. If it turns true, then it will keep the marble. Now, if the big marble gate test turns false, that means that there is a small marble. We will open the small marble gate, wait for a couple seconds, and then test for all these as required in our dosage. Just like the big marbles, if it turns true for any of these values, we will keep the marble, and false for all of them, we'll discard the marble. By keeping track with shift registers, we can add 1 every time we have a true value. And at the end of collecting a full dosage, we will ring a tone and wait for 20 seconds. So now we will demo by starting the program. We will close this window so we can check the front panel. We have small marbles on the bottom, big marbles on top. Yeah. And then for this demonstration, Brittany will be loading the marbles into the conveyor belt right here. Note she is not tampering with the marble sorter when she does this. Here we go. So we got our first complete dosage there. I'm going to be pouring it into this cup over here. Brittany will be pulling out the 2 large blues and this steel to be put into the third and final dose because of a marble shortage. Okay, that's our second dose here. We'll pour this into the second dose. And now we'll just wait for 20 seconds for our third and final dose. Note we did have to reuse some green, yellow, and other assorted marbles that are constantly rejected because of a lack of marbles. And here comes our third dosage. that's our final dose. Note, a green did take the place of a steel, and that is the only mistake the marble sorter made out of the 3 doses.